If you're looking for a new home where you can relax and enjoy a better pace of life without losing convenience to what you need, I'd like to introduce you to Timbergate. Our mission for Timbergate was to design an affordable community where people can live comfortably in a new home with less maintenance. We crafted our collection of homes to offer easy, practical living with desirable upscale finishes and provided lawn care. Our vision included creating a sense of community and new friendships, choosing the Timbergate Golf Course as the perfect location for that. Living at Timbergate is easy, and we also made it convenient. Being located in a growing area just off I-65, you'll never run short of things to do. Our future homeowners will enjoy warm afternoons kayaking, hiking, or fishing at the Driftwood River. Crisp, cool spring mornings can't be better spent than by swinging the clubs at Timbergate, right next door. Running errands is also quick and convenient with Kroger, Walmart, and Kohl's just minutes from your door. The most important goal in our mission for Timbergate is you, our future homeowners. Our passion and purpose is to build a beautiful place with innovative design, energy efficiency, and quality construction that you'll love to call home. We take pride in our commitment to working closely with you every step of the way and for years after. Discover this brand new, affordable community in Edinburgh, Indiana, and all that it has to offer. Schedule your private appointment to visit our model and meet with our sales representative. We can't wait to welcome you home to Timbergate.